What's going on, guys? Today we're gonna be installing exhaust on some of my good buddies' vehicles. Hopefully it goes smooth. I don't know, but I offered to help him out and let him use my shop or whatever. I guess we're gonna walk out here and we're gonna try to get this going, and we're gonna try to bring you an installation video on the exhaust. Look at these slow vehicles right here. Look at them. I mean, they're good colors, but I mean, one's the wrong brand though. For sure, it's the wrong brand.
Am I gonna get picked on for driving a Ford?
Yes, that's exactly what I was mentioning walking up there. I said, man, one of them's the wrong brand. So. Alright, whose vehicle are we doing first? Okay, we'll get it in there and kill it so it'll cool off for a minute. Go ahead, come on. That's what I'm talking about.
Dude, I'm about to choke.
Get that on camera. He's choking.
Awesome.
He said it, not me.
You know what I mean?
Tell us what exhaust you bought here.
I decided to go with the boiler attack.
The boiler attack. How much was it?
About $1,000.
Is that axle match or no? No. You doing dual or what?
Yeah,
Dual. So is it going to be the dual at the side or dual at the rear?
Dual at the rear.
Dual at the rear. Good. It's just a stock truck, but I mean, you said this is what, the 5.3?
Yeah.
Yeah, that ain't bad. You know, turbo or and a cam, heads, exhaust. So
I think about heads.
Whoa.
Yeah.
He's getting the car seat in the back.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. You got a baby on board coming soon.
Yeah.
I'll single-handedly do the steps, no issue. But the exhaust is going to start. Honestly, it's going to take the longest. So I guess what I could do is I could go ahead and get this started on the steps while your exhaust is cooling off. I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot.
I like it.
Why you need steps for if like, boy, this is low as shit.
Pregnant girlfriend.
Well, she is about 4'8", so.
Damn it.
The condoms.
Shit.
Oh yeah, that's my girl.
Hey, y'all breaking nothing.
Shit, we broke it.
Bro, this is what you really that's
yes,
all you wanted.
Fuck yeah. Wait. Alright, take it back. Which one's that?
Send it back. I guess he ain't gonna look at it. I'll look at it. Oh.
By the way, I just want to state, he started a new Instagram for this truck, and what works best than peer pressure? He don't want to turbo it, but I'm saying, fuck it. Let's peer pressure him into turboing it. So everybody, go check out his new truck page on Instagram, and y'all spam the shit out of his comments, DMs. I mean, talk shit to him. Make sure he knows that he needs to turbo it, or at least add boost of some sort, nitrous, something.
All you have to say is you won't, and he'll do it.
I got a baby on the way, so I can't do much.
What?
You think I'm gonna be
They
able
really
to?
sent all this just for fucking,
Oh, you gotta be prepared, man.
yeah, they sent a lot of extras, I'm telling you.
Have fun with that.
I told
This
my
is your brackets, but I'm saying, like, they sent a hell of a lot of
I
extras.
told my
with this
mom when
shit.
I got home, I was like, oh, it feels like Christmas. And she's like, yeah, but you paid for all of it. Do you need instructions?
No, I'm good.
Bro.
Just brackets.
Bro, you gotta read the instructions.
gotta put my jam on.
Weenie.
Oh boy.
Really? This is not even your jam.
This is my shit.
You gotta play 7 Rings.
No, I done fucked up, no. He's like, screw you guys. It only took us 40 minutes. You go and start it. Ooh, ooh.